Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I gonna teach you how to editing as professional photography. Let's get started. First, go to Profiles. Scroll down to find Vintage 10. Go to Light. Increase in exposure 30. Contrast 6. Highlights -20. Shadow 20. Whites -100. Black -20. Return to curve. The line starts with shadows at the leftmost end and ends with highlights in the rightmost end. In the middle, you have midtones, which are then further split into darker midtones called darks in Lightroom, and brighter midtones in YouTube. Increase or decrease RGB color to become the correct color that you want. Go to Color. Decrease temp -2, Vibrance to 30, and Saturation to 10. Return to Mix. Red on Hue 50. Saturation 20. Luminance 0. Orange on Hue 30. Saturation -10. Luminance 40. Yellow on Hue -56. Saturation -78. Luminance -71. Green on Hue -62. Saturation -100. Luminance -25. Aqua on Hue 95. Saturation -33. Luminance 0. Blue on Hue -40. Saturation 19. Luminance 0. Purple on Hue 15. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Pink on Hue -2. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Go to Effect Texture to 0. Clarity to 8. Dehaze -10. Vignette -29. Midpoint 36. Feather 100. Roundness 66. Highlights 40. Return to Split Tone. Highlight on Hue 0 and Saturation 0. Shadow on Hue 210 and Saturation 16. Go to Detail. Increase noise reduction to 40. Now we have done.